Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 5, Vyakhyan 5. Topics to be covered in this session are Phoolon ke naam, that means flowers name. You know flowers, the beautiful flowers. We'll now learn them in Hindi, the name of flowers, and शरीर के अंगों के नाम. शरीर के अंगों के नाम means the name of our body parts. We have different body parts, we know them in English, but now we are going to learn them in Hindi, what they are called in Hindi. So in this session we are learning two things: flowers name, that means फूलों के नाम, and body parts, that is शरीर के अंगों के नाम. So let us start with flowers name first. फ्लावर्स नेम में सबसे पहला नाम आता है रोज. द फर्स्ट विच क्लिक्स इन आवर माइंड इज फर्स्ट ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर इज रोज. यू नो इट इज लाइक बाय ऑल symbol of love, beautiful red and red color flower. It's a rose, you all know. It is being liked by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also. It was his favorite flower, so he always puts this flower in his coat. This is liked by all, beautiful flower. And this flower rose, it is called in Hindi as gulab. What is it called? Yes, gulab. It is called as gulab. Next flower, which is the national flower of India, the beautiful flower which is found in water, especially ponds. It has big leaves. You can see in the picture. It always has big leaves, and it's a pink color, beautiful flower found usually in water, especially ponds. It is always found in the area which is like ponds. You can see in the picture also. It is called lotus, and in Hindi we call lotus as kamal. What do we call in Hindi? Kamal. Kamal. Next flower, marigold. It's a yellow color flower. We usually use it for decoration and other things. So this is one of the good flowers we have. It is called genda. What do we call marigold in Hindi? Genda. So it is always found in the temperate zones. It's a beautiful yellowish orange color flower. You must have seen this flower, marigold. It is called genda. Next flower, the beautiful flower, white flower. It is very sweet smelling flower. It spreads in the night like anything. And it is the white flower which is used for purity, peace. It is called jasmine. Jasmine is a beautiful flower which is called chameli. What do we call jasmine as? Chameli. This is a white flower, symbol of peace and purity. It's usually have a very sweet smell, and it is usually we can have a fragrance in the nights. It is called chameli. Next flower is sunflower. Sunflower, you must have seen, it's a yellow color. It's like sun. That is why we call it as sunflower, and it usually faces the sun. As the sun moves during the day, its phase direction also changes along with the sun. It always faces the sun, whether it is in the north direction, south direction, or east or west. It always faces the sun. It keeps on moving as the sun moves, rotates. So it is called sunflower. It is like the sun, yellow flower. In Hindi also we name it with sun, that is Surajmukhi. Suraj means sun, Mukhi means face. So it always faces the sun. That is why we call it as Surajmukhi. What do we call sunflower? Surajmukhi. Next flower, daisy. It is also very nice flower, usually used for decorations. This is called daisy. We call it as Gul Bahar. What do we call daisy as? Gul Bahar. Lily. Lily is again a reddish yellowish color flower. It has petals slightly bent up. It is called lily. In Hindi we call it as Kumudini. What do we call? Kumudini. Next flower, you must have seen this flower, tulip. Tulips always have long stems. The plant of these flowers is usually very short. So we call it as tulip, and it is in Hindi we call it as Nalini. We call it as Nalini. Hibiscus. The next flower. Hibiscus is a red color flower with the stem coming out with the seeds. You can see in the picture. It is very common flower in India. Hibiscus. We call hibiscus as Gudal. What do we call hibiscus? Gudal. Remember the name? Gudal. Yes, one more pinkish color flower. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum is very rarely found, but it is very beautiful flower again, found in usually temperate zones. It is called Chandramalika. What do we call chrysanthemum? Chandramalika. Now these were the beautiful flowers you have learned with their names in Hindi, with their specifications. Now the next topic of the day is body parts. You know your all body parts. You know them in the English. Now you are going to learn them in Hindi. What do we call body parts as? Sharir ke ang. So we are going to learn the name of body parts now. First part of the body, that is our head. Head, you know, the uppermost part of our body in which our brain is there. We always have this flower. We always have this on our head. It's a jewel of our body. We always put crown. It is a crown of our whole body. So it is called as head. Head means sar. What do we call head as? Sar. What do we call head as? Sar. Next one, hair. Hair is what? On head we have hair, black color, brown color, different colors. Usually different country people have different color hair. So hair gives a beautiful beauty to our face also. Nature has given us on our head to improve our beauty, to make us look more beautiful. So what do we call hair in Hindi? We call it as Bal. What do we call? Bal. Say it again. Bal. Now, eye, through which we see the whole world. It is the one of the five senses we have. It helps us to understand the whole world. We can recognize colors, we can recognize people, we can see everything, the beautiful nature, everything which we watch, see through our eyes. So eye is called as what? Aankh. What do we call in Hindi? Aankh. Ear. Ear is another one of the five senses. Through ear we hear sounds, we listen to different things, we understand, as right now you are hearing me through your ears. Ear is called as Kaan. So you are listening me through your Kaan, right? It's ear in English and Kaan in Hindi. Nose, another body part, another one of the body main senses of our body, five senses of our body. Nose, through which we smell. As you have studied flowers right now, you smell flowers through your nose. The fragrance, the odor, you can differentiate through your nose. So what is the nose called in Hindi? Naak. Read it again. Naak. Next body part, mouth. Mouth is called as what? Through which you eat. You can see in the picture. You eat, you drink, even you speak through your mouth. What do we call mouth in Hindi? It is called muh. Muh is the part through which we eat, we drink, we speak. Teeth. In our mouth we have teeth through which we bite, chew, grind our food for eating. Teeth comes at the age of 5 and goes by the age of 60, 65. So we have two types of teeth, you know, permanent and temporary teeth. So teeth are used for chewing, grinding and biting. What do we call teeth as? Daant. What do we call them? Daant. Say it again. Daant. Tongue. Tongue is called as jeeb, through which you taste. It's another one of the five senses. Another body part comes in the category of five senses. So it is called jeeb. Jeeb, through which you taste things. You feel you can taste that it's sour, it's bitter, it's sweet through your tongue. It's called jeeb. What do we call? Jeeb. Arm. Arm is what? Arm. It's called baju. The whole arm, from hand till the shoulder you have your arm. It is called baju. You can rotate it in the 360 degree. It is called baju. What do we call arm as? Baju. Hand, through which you hold hands, you eat, you can throw, you can catch, you can do different things through your hand. You have 5 fingers in your hand. This hand is called as haath. What do you call hand in Hindi? Haath. Say it again. Haath. Elbow. Elbow, you have your joint between upper arm and lower arm. The joint is called elbow. As you can see in the picture, between upper arm and lower arm, you have a joint which is called as elbow. Elbow is what? Kohni. Say it again. Kohni. What do you call elbow as? Kohni. Palm. Palm is what? Hateli. Say it again. The whole palm you have, on which you can put things, you can keep things. The part in on your hand except fingers is called palm. You have your hand, you have 5 fingers. Except the fingers, removing the fingers, whatever part is left, it is called palm. We call it as hatheli. What do we call? Hatheli. You have fingers now, 4 fingers and 1 thumb. What do we call finger in Hindi? Ungli. You have 4 fingers of different sizes. What do you call finger as? Ungli. And you have nail on your finger. To keep you protected, nature has given you with nails. On each finger, on the tip of the finger, you have nails. You call fingernail as nakhun. Say it again. Nakhun. Again, nakhun. Now the lower body parts. You have your leg through which you walk, you kick, you can run, you can jump. This is called leg. From feet till the upper body part, it is called leg. What do we call leg in Hindi? We call it as tang. What do we call? Tang. Inside our legs, our hands, our elbow, our arm, in the whole body we have bones. An average person has around 200 bones in their body. So what do we, through which the whole skeleton stands? What do we call bone in Hindi? We call it as haddi. We call it as haddi. Yes, blood, you know. You have a fluid inside your body which is red in color, used for the transportation of oxygen, of carbon dioxide. You call it as blood. When somebody is dying, even the drop of blood will work for him. You have different kinds of blood, like different categories, blood groups. B positive, AB. So it flows in whole in your body. It cleanses up in your heart and transport the different things. It's a fluid. It is called khoon. What do we call blood as? Khoon. Say it again. Yes, khoon. Now the joint between your upper leg and lower leg, joint is called knee. You can see the picture, knee. Knee is called gutna. What is a knee called? Gutna. Now, through which your voice comes, you have your larynx, through which vibration of voice is done. Sounds come through your throat. Throat is called gala. Your body and your head, upper part of the body, the whole mouth, it is joined with the throat. The part between the body and the head, it is called throat. We call it as gala. Say it again. Gala. Now men usually have it. This is called mustaches. Men usually have on their upper lip. Sometimes big mustaches, sometimes small. Women don't have it. Women usually don't have it. So these are called mustaches. We call it as mooch. It is hairy. It is called mooch. Yes, the beautiful lips, red color lips. It is called hont. The beauty of our the whole mouth. It is called lips. We call it as hont. Now, below your mouth, you have a part called chin. Chin is called in Hindi as thuddi. What do we call chin as? Thuddi. And the beautiful cheeks, pink colored cheeks. To put blush on, you have your cheeks, beautiful cheeks. We call them as gal. What do we call cheeks as? Gal. Yes, the joint between the lower leg and the foot is called ankle. Joint between the foot and the lower leg is called ankle. We call it as takhna. What do we call? Takhna. Now these were the major body parts. Now some do-it-yourself questions for you so that you can revise them, whatever you have learnt. So you need to write these following words in your notebook in Hindi. So the first body part is chin. You know chin, I told you, beneath the part below your mouth is called chin. It is called as thuddi. Mustaches, usually found in men. The hairy part on the upper lip is called mustaches. In Hindi we call it as moonch. Like this you have to tell for knee, bone, fingernail, tongue, head and the flower marigold. So you have to write them in your notebook, revise them again and again to learn them better. That is all for this session about the flowers and body parts. Revise them and write these words in notebook in Hindi. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.